Hey, I'm Nalini, founder of Homeschool. I have helped thousands of class 10 students master this subject called science. My student went from scoring 50 to 95 plus mark in class 10 boards without much efforts and stress. All this was possible just by happy learning. They learned how to study and they have enjoyed the concepts. They made their study so much fun and the marks and rank had just became a byproduct for them. So I have developed a wonderful course for class 10 students where I have covered every concept of chemistry, physics and biology in a detailed way. What is included in a course? Number one, it's a basic module. Okay, so basics are very important to master class 10. If you don't know how to write molecular formula, when you are confused with certain numericals, when you don't know the basic terminologies in bio, it becomes very difficult to understand the chapters like, carbon compounds, metals, non-metals, life processes, electricity and etc. So what I did initially is I covered all the basics in a particular module. Okay, so science basic boot camp is a basic module. So if I open this, you will have videos, wonderful, attractive videos on all the concept. Okay, so chemistry basics are there, right from electronic configuration, periodic table, valence electron, molecular formula writing, all of these are covered. Physics basics are there. At the same time, bio basics are also there. Okay, so these are biology basics. So this is a module on basics. So first you can master the basics before you go into chemistry module, physics module as well as biology module. Okay, so now if I open the chemistry module, not just the concept explained in a detailed way, I have shown the concept in the form of beautiful experiments. Okay, every reaction, if you see, it is explained in the form of experiment. Okay, so where you will enjoy a lot looking at these experiments. So not just that, so very attractive, see experiment on displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, what not. So this is an experiment on double displacement reaction. So this way you have all the reactions. Their theory is explained in a very much conceptual way and also all of them are shown in the form of experiments. Along with that, you will be provided beautiful, attractive notes. Okay, so look at these notes. This is an exam ready notes. If you can see these notes, that's more than enough for your competitive exams. Okay, so look at the wonderful notes that we have, right? So and the self-assessment test. After every chapter, we are giving you a self-assessment test too, right? So this is how the modules are designed. When you come to the physics module, look at here, light, reflection and refraction. So, and all the concepts were explained in a detailed way and I have attached the wonderful demonstrations. And when it comes to numericals in physics, everybody are so confused and worried. But I made numericals so easy for the students by teaching them lot of tricks and shortcuts. Okay, and every exercise problem is being solved. Every exercise question of NCERT is solved in a much simpler way. Okay, so that you no need to by heart or memorize anything, right? Look at how students loved all these videos. See, crystal clear, wonderful ma'am. And you know what? We have got hundreds of feedback messages of the students saying they mastered science like anything else. So now all of them are feeling science very, very easy. Okay, right? So this is about a physics module and now coming to the bio module, all of them were explained in the form of animations. Okay, so I have shown you different animations on various concepts along with concept videos here, okay? And all in-text questions are solved, activities are solved, NCERT questions are solved, and wonderful notes was given, very attractive notes was given. Look at the colorful notes that it is there, and the way the concepts are broken down in a detailed way, and you'll never forget if you study through this particular notes. Okay, and not just that, every week I take live classes to clarify your doubts. Not just clarifying the doubts, I would do one short revision of a particular concept. We would solve a lot of questions in the live classes, right? So we can interact with many students across different countries, where we can exchange the perspectives, opinions, and lot of learnings would happen in the live class. So all the concepts are already there in the recorded videos. You can watch whenever you want. They are all very much interactive, very much fun to understand. Notes is given, questions are there, and every week live classes. So what not? Everything is included in a course. Okay, so just make this learning fun. And to access to this course, just click the link which is given in the description, or you can call to the WhatsApp number that is scrolling down. Okay, so don't miss out this course if you are a class 10 student. And guys, one more thing, this course will not only help you to crack your board exams, this gives you that solid foundational understanding of science which can help you to master class 11 and 12 science subjects also. Okay, so we know there is a huge difference between class 10 and class 11 syllabus. Many students will feel very difficult to understand 11th physics, 11th chemistry, bio, and etc. But if your foundations are strong, you know what, that class 11 also you can understand easily and master it, right? So when foundation is strong, whatever you want, you can learn it easily. So this gives you that foundational knowledge for you all, and it makes your basics so strong that you can learn science like never before. So don't forget to enroll into the course. So just for any queries, you can WhatsApp to the number that is popping up below. See you soon in the course then.